mine. Girl, talk is overrated. Let's just vibe just for tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a short video on an eyelash tutorial. I actually was requested to do this video by one of my followers. They DM'd me and asked me to do this. So I'm gonna be doing this for you, and yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. These are just some mink lashes. I want to say by Kiss. Yeah, by Kiss. I literally just bought them today. I prefer mink lashes just because they look better on me, but I do other ones too. So usually I measure out, depending if you have smaller or bigger eyes, I would measure them out to see if they fit your eye or not. I usually just go with it and do the size that they are, but like I said, if you have smaller eyes, you probably want to cut them down. So I will just measure them out first with the little sticky stuff that's already on them and just kind of put them on. So yeah, these are a little long, but I kind of like them long, so I'm just gonna leave it. They do have weird like ends on them, but every time I clip those, I ruin the lashes, so we're not gonna do that. So I like to start by putting on mascara on my eyes first. As I said in my last video, some people do it afterwards. I do it both just because, I don't know, that's just how I do it. So I'm going to take my lash glue. I just use Duo. Just any lash glue works. If you want to use the black lash glue, go for it. And then I like to take my lashes and I like to kind of move them around so they're like movable, if that makes sense. Because if they're too, I don't know what the word is, like firm, they don't go on as well. And then I usually take the end of a brush just like this and put in my glue and just put it all over the lash line. It's the easiest way to do it rather than taking the whole bottle and just trying to squeeze it onto this, because it doesn't, you can waste glue that way and get it everywhere. So I also just want to say that if you're a newbie to putting on lashes, it's gonna take a few tries. It definitely took me a couple of tries before I actually been able to put on lashes for the on my first try. It took me about like, I don't know, like 5 tries the first time I tried putting on lashes for the first time. So you'll definitely get there. It's just a matter of process and trial and error. Alright, so then after you place the glue on, you just want to make sure the glue gets tacky. If any like spots on the lash line start to turn black, you want to add more glue to it. I usually wait about 30-40 to a minute before I actually place these on my lash line. And then you want to make sure that you get glue really well on the ends, because otherwise the ends will like to come up. Alright, so once it's about done, you want to place it as close as possible to your upper lash line, as close as you can possibly get it. Once you'll go back in and then like refix it, but just for like putting it on wise, just place it as close as possible. So once it's on, you want to take a tweezers, and then you just kind of want to take the inner, take the lash and then your lashes that are underneath it and close them together so that the lash is as close to your lash line as you can possibly get it. And then if your inner corners aren't in, I would suggest just taking a tweezers and pushing them down onto your skin and holding it there for a few seconds. So that's just like one way of doing them. I will show you another way on the other eye. So you can just fix them up as you go. I mean, my inner corner isn't technically on all the way, but looks fine, so I'll leave it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my second lash, and I'm actually gonna put a tutorial through that as well as the second way you can try to do them. First way was just to put it on and to like take a tweezers and clamp to your lash line, but this way, the second way that I'm gonna show you is probably a little easier for you guys. So now that it's tacky, I'm going to place the middle part of the lash where it should be on the middle part of my eye. Alright, so I felt the glue stick right there. So then I'm going to go back in with my tweezers and I'm going to push down on the outside and then the inside. So once those two ends are kind of down, I'm going to go back in with my other tweezers. It's more of a flat tweezers, it looks better. And I'm going to push the lashes together like I did with the other eye. Alright, and you should be done with putting on lashes. So that actually turned out pretty good. So if you guys have any other questions about how to put on lashes or any other requests for me to do, just comment them down below and I will get them done as soon as I possibly can. I'm surprised I even got this video in just because like I'm so busy all the time. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye.